Hey, what's up guys? Emmanuel from Kuya Adventures. Okay, as promised, I got some survival stuff for you this Sunday. This is my complete winter survival kit, okay, for 2018. It's basically my bug out kit. Okay, it's very light. I can move very fast with it. That's very important to me, okay? I also have 2 dogs with me. My belt carry, I have a survival kit in a dry bag, okay, very secure. I have my big blade, and I have my slingshot, quick access, okay? So basically if I see an opportunity, I can take advantage of it very, very quickly, okay? And I've got a ton of marbles, all right, like a ton. My pocket is half full of marbles, so I've probably got about 100 marbles with me. And of course I have my bow, all right? It's sort of the last option, but it's an option I definitely will use. And I've got a shepherd sling in my sleeve pocket too. Okay, so I can't shoot a very long video. I'll do this as quick as I can. So I'll get into the pack at a later stage, but for now I'm just going to share with you my belt carry, okay? Now on my belt carry I have my RTAC 2, which also has some cable tie handcuffs on there, right? Really quick access, just pull it out, okay? And I have my dry bag PSK, all right? Okay, so even if I go in the river with my belt carry, yeah, all my important stuff's going to be dry. And I've got a dry bag in there for other stuff as well. Okay, but for the PSK, let's get into it. I'll do as quick as I can. Okay, so just with this PSK, I can complete 7 priorities. Got a metal container. This is really important for me, so I can make char cloth. All right, make easy tinder once I get my first fire going. I've got my sharpening tool, hand sanitizer, tinder, and antibacterial. Also got some Bushman insect repellent. Got a small fishing kit, 3 hooks, sinker, and some line. Of course, a fire steel, right, to make fire. Compression bandage, very good. I've got 2 of them in here. Just an added extra. Pawpaw cream for my lips. Emergency blanket, okay, for shelter. Very important. Now, if I was stuck without my gear and just my belt carry, I would just wrap this around me in the winter, all right, covering my head and my body, and that would retain 85% of my body heat. I've got a quick clot in case I get shot or stabbed or something like that, bad injury. Some betadine. Another compression bandage, very important, very good first aid item, not just for snake bites, okay? And then I've got a Sawyer water filtration system, okay? And I've got some purification tablets and a small razor blade, 2 of them, okay? Surgical blades. One more item, and that'll be my signal mirror, okay? And that's it, that's my PSK. John McDowell Stewart founded the Stewart Highway. He traversed the whole continent going right through the center. Okay, and he was only able to do this because he was very light and very fast. All previous expeditions took way too much gear, and they all failed. I've taken this on board and made sure that all my equipment makes me very light and very fast, and I've got full capabilities. Okay, so come back next Sunday and I'll show you what's in my pack.